Guys, this is Tutorial here, back with another video, and in this video it's gonna be 2 new Lego clones. If you're hearing some noise in the background, it's my brother building with some Lego. That is okay. Anyway, let's start off showing these guys. Here they are. Yes, they are 2 guys today. The last video it was 5. But these look super cool. Anyway, I'm gonna start off showing this guy. This clone my friend and I draw on. I think it looks super cool. It's when I have a quick look at the helmet. It's Bricks guy, this one too I built with. Anyway, this little helmet looks super cool, I think. With yeah, it looks super awesome. We're gonna have a quick look at the body. I draw the pants and the front of the body, and he drew the back and the arms. So yeah, it's look pretty nice. And then this thing, he draw these. Yeah. That's nice. And he got a somewhat different head, but you can't see it because it's a helmet on it. Now, this is not a clone actually, this is a stormtrooper, I think it's called. Anyway, this guy I just made by myself. Let's just take off the minigun weapon though. Yeah, it's a minigun. I'm gonna show off actually how to build this minigun after showing this. Let's start off with the helmet. Yes, it's a monkey, but anyway. Let's start off showing this helmet. Instead of black things and mouth and the eyes, they're gold instead. Oh. Its colors is gold and red actually, and there's the red things. Then this and this, I just take a cape and use a scissor and cut some on it. And then there's legs and this body. Yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. Now onto the minigun. I'm going to show you how to build this. I'm gonna take it in pieces. Just wait a little bit. So there we go. You're going to start off having a piece that looks like this, and you will take 4. I don't know what it's called in English. I know it. A piece like this, and just put them like this, and you're gonna have 4 of these. Oh, I don't remember what these are called in English. Oh man. Yeah, like that. And after that, you're going to take, you can actually take a 1 by 1, but I just take a one with a thing on. A dot, or what you call it. Yeah, like that. Now you're going to have another 4 by 4 piece. This one must be black, the other one can be any color. And you're going to take a T, or yeah, a T piece. Yes, they say T piece, because look at a T. Well, I think it's called T in English. A T, yeah, let's just say T. Then you're going to take another 1 by 1. No. You're going to have a 1 by 1 with a piece on the side too. So you can put it like that. Oops, I farted. That was really stupid by me. Yeah, this is actually 2 square dots and oh my god, I farted in a video. Oh my god, I farted in a video. Why? Anyway, this is actually 2 square 1 by 1 pieces, and just put them together, and then you're going to take a grabbing piece. Oh no, it stinks. Yeah, there you go. You can also do like this if you think this looks cooler. I think this actually looks... Oh, I don't know. You can actually do whatever you want. Oh, I don't remember how it was. Let's just say it was like that. And there you got your minigun. Now it's just kind of hard to put it on. So, there we go. There was these 2 guys. Oh, you can't see them. There was these 2 guys. And there was the video for today. See you next time.